Ban?
Wala yan, pre, bawi tayo next season. Kampi natin si Rep.
Hindi yung jump ball yung possession.
Oo.
So,
So,
minsan bumabalik eh. Matitip na pa.
Kung kanino na
opposite. Ilagay ko sa opposite. Oo.
Pre, walang mic, pre, para makakanta ka. Kumanta ka, yan lang naman yung mic ko, i-on mo lang.
Pwede erase the headspace.
Hello. Hello, sound check. Connect na to, automatic. Ayan. Hello. Hello. Yan.
Kaya kami natalo. Kasi wala salita.
1-4.
First quarter.
Wala pa yan dyan.
Let the battle begin.
Diyan tama yan.
Harold, dribble the ball by Harold. Hanap ng papasahan si Harold. Pass to Francis. To side. Miguel.
Matravel.
Benji. First foul, number 21, Miguel.
Ano? Anong tinawag? Travel?
On the way.
One base up! Hands up! Good cover. Three top. Hello. Come back.
Uy, kickball.
Tira. Mayroon pa sa akin.
Nababasa ko sulat ko eh.
Bang.
Nice rebound.
Ito pa.
Tira Harold.
Shoot. Wala ko ba kakanta ka? Maganda yung lapan, gusto mag-focus eh.
Alright, good. Go. Let's go. Go, go. There's three of you guys in the middle. Go. Rotate.
Young, that's yours. That's in the middle. That's yours.
30. Ito lang 30. Sabi ko eh, 13.
Sab ko pa, Pias.
Sub rep, sub.
Ano pa sa mid mo? Baka magiging sa mid eh.
Sub, sub, sub. Sub.
Teka lang. Pag na-shoot yung second.
Bugnohin ka mo, boy. Buka ka mo.
Dili mo gumama. Balang yun.
Sub, sub.
Substitution.
Next,
Budut, budut.
Budots, mamaya pag halftime break.
Sayo ka, ha?
That's good. Parang magkasigidad lang eh.
Go, hands up!
Same ball.
Alright, they touched it. They touched it. Hey, don't lie to me, boy. Stop, stop, stop.
8 seconds to shoot.
Stop, stop, stop. Nice one, nice one.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Three points. Decided.
Free ride, free.
14 to shoot. Tumama. Traveling. Substitution rep.
Sub, sub. Dark sila, no? Sila underrated, no?
Low, one low.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Anthony Rosario.
3 seconds.
Foul. Number 18. First foul. 13 foul. Pushing foul.
Penalty tayo, boys. Ingat.
Number 1. Warning for penalty. 2 points. Hamra. Usaidi. Takes the 3. 55 seconds remaining.
He's just gonna dribble. Go.
Block. Benji. Mamadali. Benji. All the way. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Rondon. Back to Benji. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow. Smooth. 21 seconds remaining.
Double!
10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's a foul. That's a foul. Number 89.
Ref, siyang nag-intention ng foul. Siyang nag-intention ng pero let's play one.
Sayang talaga yan.
Next season na. Next season pre.
Mapapractice ako para sa'yo, pre. Dapat ganyan yung laro ko lagi, ha.
Oo, yun yung nahanap ko. Boy, yun.
Sabihin mo dito sa camera. Ano yung hinahanap mo, pre?
Yung larong ganun ni Poy, yung hinahanap ko. Yung ganun.
So, opposite.
Huwag muna. Pag pinasa mo.
Bawi tayo sa point cook, pre. Ha?
Kay Jun.
Nakuha ni Jeff. To BJ. BJ. Rob. Number 8.
Ilan foul? Isa pa, pre?
First personal. And the tip na punta kay Benji. Benji. Nagmamadali. Benji. Pull up. Yes.
Pre, bantay nyo, Jundi! Ayun.
Basketball 101.
Connection. Ganda na.
Nakuha ni Benji. Outside. White ball. Good cut, Dayan. 2 points. Junbi to Benji. Benji takes the 3. Short.
Jundi, ito! Huwag mo na tignan yung iba.
BJ, nagmamadali. BJ.
Oh.
Rocky. Rocky.
Tangin na to si... Si Migs, sabi ni Harold, push. Si Migs.
Back to Junbi.
Fake news pa rin, no?
Lift, nakuha. 2 points, short.
Si Migs hold. Si Harold push. Nalilito yung kasama mo, Migs.
Second personal, no underrated.
Ha?
Second team foul, no underrated.
Time out sila sa second pag na-shot.
Reserve timeout. Underrated.
Pagka-shoot, time out! Time out! Time out, time out! Pasok first time. Nice one, Brett.
Ha? Kagi, di ako makasiki, pre. Kasi ano, nag-leave na ako sa ano, Wednesday. Sa ano kasi ako bukas, sa Estia. Twice a fortnight nga lang pumasok. Nag-annual leave pa sa Wednesday. Magsisiki pa bukas. Wala na, pre. Late na ano. Screen.
Good attack. Good defense by Kuya Will. Xavier.
Yan yung savior, pre. Number
To Jeff.
9.
Jeff takes the 3.
Bang.
Yes.
Ay, pre, naano to, pre? Tama no? Tama na, kasi nagana. Balik.
Take 2. Team to shoot. Side. To Benji. Benji all the way. Too strong. Judy. And a foul. Number 12. First personal, first team foul. First shot.
Parin mo.
Rain.
Play over lagi.
Xavier. To Will. Will fake. Wala. Ako ni Francis. Si Junbi.
Si Joy.
Side.
Bang,
Pull
bang.
up jumper. Wala. Insoy.
Ay,
Insoy, attacking the paint. Strong move to the basket.
Juan, wala makapigil kay Bingkoy. Oo, pag magano siya, ISO, wala makapigil.
Rocky. To Junbi. Benji. Benji. Pull up. Wala. Nakakuha niya. Junbi. Benji wala. Savior. Savior, hinaharap. Punta kay Rain. Mikoy. To Rain, easy, 2 points. Two minutes remaining. 23, short, practice. Ako ni Xavier.
Uy!
Yep.
Madouble, dribble,
Rain, pull up down. Strong.
out wide.
Same ball.
Sub.
Substitution. Louis, traveling. Substitution red.
Ako, chika.
Kasi may EMA to, di ba?
55 seconds remaining. 50 seconds remaining. Mikoy, power move. And a foul.
Pre, habang ano ka dyan?
First foul, third team foul.
Ba? Lumikit na.
Shoot.
Half time. Adi, third na yun, pre? Fourth quarter na. Magta-third pa lang. Ah. Second pa yun.
Second. Natatapos sa second?
Oo, kakatapos ng second.
So, babalik
Mag-
na dito araw, ha? So, third quarter tayo?
Ah.
Wala, wait lang. Mag-intermission muna ako.
Sasayaw ka?
Time eh.
Sasayaw?
Kakanta.
Adonis.
Kanta muna.
Adon.
Okay lang kumanta.
Agil lang.
Budots. Hawak mo.
Yung
ang
eagle,
beat.
yung eagle.
Hawak mo ang beat.
Red Panda. Go, let's go. Congrats, boy.
Sis.
Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, what did we take? That's a foul.
Nana.
Ay, maubos oras niya.
Ah.
Score is a ball. Turnover.
Migs!
Baka sa akin.
Hold, Migs, hold!
Francis. Russ. Still leading. Del Rosario. All the way. Yes, good catch.
Ayun pa, nilalabas niya Harold yung mga ano niya pala. Mga moves niya.
Hindi si Francis.
11 daw eh. Okay.
Turnover. Rep.
Rep.
Who's foul?
Si Francis o si Side?
Si Franz. Ha?
Number one? Number one.
Bola.
Ang daming na-ball na. Eh, side yun, di ba?
Side for 3. Way off.
Baba.
Miscommunication. Substitution rep.
Hindi po wala pang score, no? Kasi Harold pa lang nakascore. Nangyari.
2 points. Underrated number 6. Francis takes the 3. Yes, sir. Will. Big boy. Open team. Big boy. To BJ. BJ. All the way. 2 points.
Binawi.
Number 1. Number 8.
Second quarter to. Second quarter.
Third na pa eh. Double.
Big boy, double team. Easy 2 points.
Boy! Sila ano?
Side D mix.
Wala yung mga adik. Wala yung mga adik.
Wala nag-list.
Ano na? Wala yung mga adik maglaro.
Wala nag-list ka.
Ah, wala naglaro ngayon.
Practice around. And then, but then I got,
Underrated number 5.
Walang kalaro yan eh.
Go.
Di ba bayaran niya yung buong court niyan eh.
Ha?
4
Maglaro ka na,
minutes,
pre.
15 seconds remaining.
Maraming baliw.
Third one.
Full court pa.
Full court ka mo man. Rex, walang kalaro. Nakiki kayo.
Ito siya kasi si George. Here we go. Harold. To Mix. Louis. To Benji. Louis, sayang. Harold. 5 to shoot. 4, 3. Fourteen to shoot.
Bang, bang.
Will, 3 points. Wala. Mag-uwan ang mag-ama. Wala pa rin. Bikoy. 2 points, too strong. Ako niyang. 10 to shoot. 8, 7, 6.
Sub.
Nice one, boys. Nice one.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
14 to shoot. Nakuha ni Bikoy. Young. Could be. Number 18. Substitution. Two minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Young. 2 points too strong. Nakakuha ni Will. Will. Napunta kay Young. 14 to shoot.
Hirap.
10. Full foul rep. 1-8. Shoot. One minute remaining. Third quarter. Rudy. Si Benji. 14 seconds to shoot.
Galing.
Pull a jump. Short. Nakuha ni Bikoy. 35 seconds remaining.
Last shot, pre, last shot. Okay lang yan, last shot.
14 to shoot.
Ganda naman.
Easy 2 points. 11 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Hey, no one's running, man. Usap kayo.
Hey, stop.
Gutom tuloy ako sa ano.
So hungry.
Anything na nandiyan na sa bipin?
Yung inbound dito kanina, di ba?
Dalawa. Rep! Wala pa si...
Benji, 2 points.
Turn, that's too high, that's too high. Get back.
Si Tangina to si... Migs. Nabubuluhan ako.
Fake news ba?
Half
10
court tapos
seconds to shoot.
Wala.
10 seconds to shoot.
Naguguluhan din ako.
That's a foul. Number 31.
Migs! Naguguluhan ako sa iyo pati ito sama mo. Wala.
Pre, yun nga yung
Benji.
gusto ko, pre, no?
Benji attacking. What a fake. Wala. Nakuha ni Junbi. Nakuha ni Benji. Francis. For 3. Yes. Big 3. By Francis.
Dito rin ako makan.
Okay. BJ attacking. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Junbi. Junbi. Kinaharas. Napunta ni Liam. Foul, number 30.
Huwag mo na.
Napipressure si Junbi, pre.
Substitution? Sino pasok?
Si Louie. Louie.
Pre.
Okay. That's a foul. Pushing foul. Number 1. Ilan yun? Third personal.
Third
Sevilla.
personal foul, Sevilla.
Yam attacking. PJ. Spin around move. 2 points.
Free right. Hey, screen! Green.
Pushing foul. Who's foul rep? Number 48. Second team foul. First personal.
One more swing.
Patay.
Side for 3. Strong. DJ pushing the play. Hey Jeff. 14 to shoot.
Wag, Philippine! Cut kayo, cut!
12. 10. Sevilla. Steal. Sevilla.
Tatlong ano.
31. Dalawa. Substitution rep.
Gusto mo kasi gulo, no?
Short.
Umuupo yun. Hindi, doon ka umupo sa court.
Second free throw. Short pa rin. Will. Will. To Chris, to
Bang, bang.
Young. Strong. BJ. Bitawan.
Basta na.
10 to shoot. 8.
Bang, bang.
Jeff, what a pass. Basketball, what a
Ayun
pass.
yun! Ayun yun!
Number 12.
ISO. Okay.
14 to shoot. Set. Offensive foul. Number 11. Underrated up by 3.
Naglaro si Francis sa ano natin, 35 up. Sa ano? Point ko. Oh. Kasi nag-back out yun si ano eh. Si Armin yun.
Will takes the 3. BJ 2 points.
Miscommunication sa rebound.
Sa lang ang lamang, mga underrated. Louis. Attacking, fade away, wala. Francis, and a foul. Who's foul rep? 48.
Tatlo si BJ.
Second personal.
Dalawa pa na.
Warning for penalty. First shot.
Ooh!
Short.
Muntik pumasok. Muntik lumabas.
Harold. Naharas. Napunta ang Jeff. Jeff Tiam. Kapatid. Back to tatay. Yes sir. Time out.
Tama yung score natin. Tama yung score natin. Kuya yung white 36 o 35?
Hindi, tama yan. 35 ata yan. Tama lang.
Tama? Tama lang. Pwede mo na revive?
Ayan yung walang anak. Ernest.
Hindi yung totoo, pre. Hindi yung totoo, yung babae na tinapon. Hindi yung totoo. Yung tali nasa gilid.
Turnover again, underrated. Turnover naman ang Sasi. Nakuliyam, turnover again. Continue to shoot.
Klaro, foul.
Holding foul, number 4. Warning for penalty, both teams. For him to shoot. Ten to shoot. Turnover. Harold. Harold.
Calm down.
All the way. Grabe naman yun, all the way. DJ. That's a foul, says the ref. Number 8. Third personal, penalty.
Oh, ito na. Ito na, ito na. Stop.
I can shoot.
Pag may shoot, wala na tayong kanya. Wala. Stop, 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 stop.
Stop.
Wala. Ito na. Dalawa kasi kayo dyan. Dalawa kayo dyan.
To Harold. Wildon. Fade away, too strong.
Walang rush. Hey, gamit ang rush. Yan.
Sayang yun. Young.
Basic.
Jeff.
Basic.
To Will. Chris.
Basket! Blocking! Gumagalaw! Basket!
22?
23.
Who's 23?
Sub.
Counted yun.
Counted.
Counted. 2 points lang.
Sub. And one.
Sub, please.
Pressure lang walang haras. Pressure lang. Yan. Just pressure. One more. 3. Take time.
Takot ng ano, nung nag-dive ko doon.
Nasipa mo nga sa ulo.
Sino si...
Santos. One pass!
Sino nasipa, pre?
Si Santos.
Close up! There you go.
14 to shoot.
Bye, bang.
Stepping on the line.
Tai. Tatai. Okay. Sakit ng likod eh.
Benji.
Roll!
Benji. Hesitation. To captain. Captain for 3. Two points, Will.
Bilis.
Dilis kayo na to ha. Dilis na yan. Lateral lang.
Fourth.
Go run! Get back!
Ay, tumama!
Benji, naaras. Benji. All the way. And a foul. Who's foul rep?
Pre,
Number 13.
Migs! Migs! Migs!
Second personal.
Migs.
Penalty.
Kunin mo si Benji, pre. Ah,
Next ko mo tubig.
Ah.
Next ko mo tubig.
Ay, pasok! Sino pala? Sino kunin mo? Sino kunin mo? Sub, rep, sub!
We're tied.
Pag na-shoot.
Sino kunin mo? Si Cesar.
Nasaan ako sa NBA?
Palitan mo.
Si
Ikaw na palitan ko.
Cesar kunin mo.
Besa mo si Benji.
Oo.
Si Evan.
Second. Number 2. Substitution. Pasok.
Sis. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Bang,
Jump
bang.
for 3. Yes.
Basketball 101.
Francis wants to take it back.
Tulak.
Ulit ka kuya Jet. Ulit ka.
Chris, always expect pass, ah. Yeah. Bigyan mo time out.
2 minutes 30 seconds. That's a pushing foul.
Penalty, ah. Penalty. Penalty. Chris,
Third personal.
ka na para makarep.
Oo, pre. May isa pa.
Yan, yan. Yan. Yan.
Bang, bang.
Yan. Just take time. Go ahead. Baba na, baba.
Hicks takes the 3. Way off. Nice steal. And a foul. Number 13. Third personal.
Migs, bawi Migs. Migs, bawi, bawi.
Ilan yung foul ni Chris?
Third.
Hey, check. Kahit yung gano'n, ito nasipasan yung huwag dito sa loob. Malapit sila sa
Oo, lima na yan.
At doon, tatakbo pa sila pagbababa.
Oo, shoot, pre. Isa, pre.
Time out. Assassins.
Pre, kunin ko yung ano, charger. Pasok ko bukas.
I walk right.
Ano na? Yun no, kung ano, kung maintain lang yun. Wala kasi talagang magawa. Ang ano yun.
Oh, bola! Bola! Screen! Screen!
Man to man. Will. Will. Yep. Lincoln. 14 to shoot. And foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun. Good shot.
Third personal.
Parang ano na, third? Third personal foul. Shoot.
Oh, rebound!
Second free throw.
Airball to. Huwag ka dun ah.
Balik na. Balik na ako.
Ayun na.
Second, short pa rin. Ako ni Migs. Too strong. Nakuha. Harold for two. Yes, pinawi. And we're tied.
Let's go!
Balik!
Yo, watch your screen. Watch your screen. Watch your screen.
Nice!
Pre, pag may na-break yung shooter, pre, hindi nyo kailangan ng rebound.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Oh, Benji.
Benji.
Is
That's your fourth personal, Benji.
Sige na, para hindi na kayo mahuli. Huwag na kayo pa rin, okay mahuli.
Benga. Benga.
Sussex up by 3. Side, nakuha. To Mix. Benji. Wala. Pwede BJ.
Hawak lang! DJ! Hawak!
Balik pa rin sa kanya.
Pagod na si Aaron.
That's 1 minute, 9 seconds. Two shots. Who's foul rep?
3. Si
Number
Will
3.
ata, number
Second
three.
personal.
Oh, you're right.
Second personal. Mga 12 yan.
Kaya nila yung rebound. Sa likod ka.
Nice one. Take shot.
Crunch time.
Chris, screen ka muna.
Here we go.
Kaya!
DJ. Almost a steal.
Nice!
Back to Will. Back to Jeff. 2 points.
Hold!
12 to shoot.
Hawak lang!
10 to shoot.
Bang, bang.
8, 7, 6, 5. Traveling.
Muna.
Timeout. Underrated. Timeout. Last timeout.
Last time out na yun, pre.
That's your last timeout.
Tira.
Hinga.
Screen, pre. Screen.
Louie ang papasok nila. Louie.
Pagka na-trap ka, okay ka.
Ano may tissue ka? Wipes?
Wala pa.
.48. That's your fourth personal.
Arol. Ito pa, may naano pa. Isa na lang yan, pre. Sa'yo na yan, pre.
Mix, pag na-shoot, sabi ka kay... Pre, sa baway Louie, pag na-shoot. Pag na-shoot. Na-shoot yung dalawa.
Pag isa lang.
Ano ba? Paano ba? May pag na-shoot.
Sub rep pag na-shoot. Ganda din tignan ng ano, white na position.
Sub.
Substitution rep.
Wait.
Substitution.
Ay, half shot lang pala, no?
Hindi na-shoot yung una eh. Kung na-shoot tapos ah.
Now being rushed to Jeff.
Tira sana, no?
14 to shoot. That's a foul. Eleven. That's
Penalty. Penalty third.
wala na.
Penalty.
Two shots.
Chris, pagka-shoot, baba na! Chris, pagka-shoot, baba na! Yan! Get Benji!
Bang.
Oh, what a steal. There's a mistake. Who's foul?
Ano nangyari?
Number 4.
Saan? Unspoke! Not for the ball!
Two shots. Penalty. Two shots.
Bang.
May chance pa.
Kunin mo ako, pre.
Bakit tayo nag-season? Ako bubuo ng team ah. Walang magulo.
Kukunin mo ako.
Ako bubuo ng lineup next na season ah. Ako bubuo.
Wala pa rin. Big. Benji. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good day. What a game.